Have you ever wondered how companies gather insights from mountains of data? Or how they predict trends and make decisions? Data mining is the secret sauce behind it all. My name is Daniel, and in this video we will explore some of the most popular techniques used to uncover patterns and extract valuable information from big data. Let's get started. What is data mining? When we hear the word mining, we usually think of natural resource extraction. But data mining is a bit different. Imagine you are a detective trying to solve a mystery. But instead of looking for clues at the crime scene, you are searching through massive piles of data to uncover hidden patterns and connections. Data mining is basically digging through large data sets to find these hidden gems. It uses cool stuff like statistics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. All that to spot patterns and relationships that might not be easy to see at first glance. And the best part is that data mining can be all this digging without much help from humans. Sometimes it can even find problems or connections that we didn't even know existed. Guys, data mining is helpful in many different areas, such as marketing, healthcare, and business. It can predict how people might behave, spot new trends, and help companies discover new opportunities to make money. Types of mineable data. When we are data mining, we are looking for data that can reveal trends, patterns, and relationships. So, what types of data fit the bill? First up, we have transactional data. This is the type of data you will find in sales records, bank transactions, or any sort of purchase history. It's super useful for understanding customer behavior, spotting trends, and even predicting future sales. Next, there is text data. Think of all the emails, social media posts, and customer reviews out there. Text data mining helps businesses analyze sentiments, understand customer feedback, and improve their services or products. Then we have time series data, which is data collected over a period of time. This is often used in stock market analysis, weather forecasting, and even tracking website traffic. It helps in identifying trends and making forecasts based on historical patterns. Next, don't forget about spatial data. This, folks, is all about location-based information, like maps and satellite images. It's key for things like urban planning, delivery route optimization, and even predicting real estate trends. Finally, there is web data. Every time we browse the internet, tons of data is generated. This type of data can be mined to understand user behavior on websites, which is crucial for digital marketing strategies and improving user experience. Guys, when we talk about data mining, it's hard not to think about CRM security. At Verpex, they have got your back. They use a multi-layered security approach to keep your data secure. That includes advanced firewalls, secure data centers, regular security updates, and SSL encryption for data transmission. And of course, frequent data backups. So, if you need a trustworthy hosting provider, check Verpex out. Data mining techniques. Alright, with all that out of the way, let's explore the main techniques used to discover hidden patterns and insights in data. First up is classification. This technique is all about organizing data into predefined categories or classes. Imagine you have a bunch of emails and you want to sort them into spam or not spam. Classification helps you build a model to do just that by learning from examples and making predictions on new data. It's widely used in email filtering, fraud detection, and even in medical diagnosis. Next, we have clustering. Unlike classification, clustering doesn't require predefined categories. Instead, it groups similar data points together based on their characteristics. This technique is great for market segmentation, customer analysis, and image recognition. Another important technique is association rule learning. This is all about finding interesting relationships between variables in large datasets. A classic example in market basket analysis, where retailers discover that customers who buy bread are also likely to buy butter. By understanding these associations, businesses can create effective marketing strategies and promotions. Then there is regression. This technique helps predict a continuous value based on the relationship between different variables. For example, predicting house prices based on factors like size, location, and number of bedrooms. Regression is commonly used in finance, real estate, and economics for forecasting and trend analysis. Final thoughts. And there you have it, folks. There are some of the main techniques used in data mining to uncover valuable insights from data. Today, data mining can be your trusty guide, helping you make decisions that can take your company to the next level. By uncovering hidden patterns and insights, data mining empowers you to make informed choices that lead you to better outcomes. Alright, my friends, and that's all on data mining and its main techniques. Thanks for watching, until next time.